Welcome back. In this third part, we will see how this JWT works. We have seen the code in our slides, but now we will see in reality how the application will be working. In this case, config.js will contain two things. One is the secret key, which is generated and this Mongo URL for to connecting with the database. After that, we have users and authentication policy. First, we will see the authentication policy. In it, what we need is passport, local strategy, users, our user model, and JWT strategy, and our extraction of JWT. If we see in our user model, what we have first name, last name, admin, and a plugin, username and password. So these information are required to connect to the DB to register with the system. After registering the system, what we need to register with the system, if we go, these are the strategies, and here we are signing up with the post operation. We are sending the information. If the information is not into the system, then it will create a new user according to our information, and will send us the information that you have been authenticated, means your registration has been completed. Against the login request, what it will check with the database with the local policy either the username and password is correct. If the username and password is correct, it will do, it will generate a token and send the token to us. We will use that token to access different information. For example, we will see this information in this route. Only sorry, authenticated user can access this information. This operation, port operation not supported by dish, is only will be displayed when the user will be authenticated. In other case, the user will be uh, marked as unauthorized. So this is what we have done. In authenticate, it has the same code I have in the slides. It is the option part, it is the local strategy which we have, and this is basically the JWT generation, and this is JWT verification strategy. So this is what we have explained into our code. Now we will see from Postman how it works. First, we will sign up. To sign up, we are calling a route, but we have to provide a body information. In it, we have five fields. The admin part is what we cannot configure from client application. Uh, that is first name. For example, I say Hamid Ullah. Last name is Ullah, and we are using Hamid as the username and pass as the password. Now we will send this request to sign up to our system. uh, we send this request. This is a raw JSON variable. The system has responded with the registration successful. We have successfully registered with the system. To log in, what we need, Hamid and password. To log into the system, we will send to the request to the login page, and we will send the information which we have created, like we have created a user Hamid with pass. So what will happen when we'll send this request? It will return us uh, the authentication that your success is true, and it has provided us a long token. This is basically JWT, which has been generated by the application. You can copy this code. I'm copying this code, and you can paste it into your text file. You can alternatively, we store it using our front-end application into our local storage. No, if I want to call the dishes, if I don't provide the authentication authorization token with it, so what will happen? I send the request, and it has conveyed me the message that you are unauthorized to access this information. Okay, So that means I need to provide the token. I will select authorization type, like there are number of authorization site in it. There is a bearer token, and you will paste your token here. Now you are providing your token, you are calling this route. If you provide this token and call this route, what it provides you: put operation not supported on the dishes. So it means it has authenticated this token that you are a registered user, and against that registered user it has provided you the relevant response which we have written into this our router, that put operations not supported on dishes. This will be provided only if the user is verified. So this is the mechanism with which a JWT works. First time you have to log in. Against the login, it provides you the JWT. You save that JWT, and JWT will be requested with the header authorization bearer token, and you will send it to the server. You can completely see the authorization servers, authorization headers which has been sent. You can see here bearer space the name. This is the basically authorization which has been sent. Authorization colon bearer and your token. On the server side, we will remove this, we will remove bearer, and we will extract this token, and we will check with our database. This is the way out with which our JWT works with our passport. We can do it without passport. In that case, it is so simple. You will just copy paste the code from my slides and it will work accordingly. You will find these into my repository also. We will have question answer sessions in our next week. Be prepared and implement these passports and passport authentication local strategy, and as well as JWT into your assignment, so that we can work on it and provide a proper security. So you will implement uh, JWT, passport, and course cross-site scripts and DDoS attacks middlewares into your application. So next week we will implement it, and after that, this is what we have from the server side. Our server side is completely ready. Our REST API has been completed. We have completed the routes, we have completed the routers, we have completed the security, we have implemented the middleware related to our uh, authentication, as well as our token JWT mechanism. That is all from the server side. Now after this, we will start our front end application using Angular. So our main stack, we have completing the MongoDB, we have completed the node, we have completed the Express part. That is all from the server side. Now we will work on Angular. After Angular, we will go to React and implement same interface, but which we will implement in Angular, we will same implement it in our React application. So we will complete our client side client application code also. Thank you all. We will meet you inshallah next week. Thank you.